Welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Guys, update here on DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group stock, aka Donald Trump stock, guys. I give you now here a technical update, what the actual chart situation means. It is of course possible that we still see here a short squeeze. This video is not to hype you up, guys, and not to create FOMO. I give you here my honest opinion based on the chart, and this is not financial advice. Before we start with the chart, guys, I give you something special here in this video. I also show you here very quick the price levels for Trump, guys. Dollar Trump, the crypto currency here, the meme coin, which had its squeeze here from around $10 all the way up here to $79. That was the all-time high. Now we're trading back here at $25 or $27, guys, and we are here at the support range. I already released that here, I think a week ago, for my members, where we already had here the golden pocket, and this is already closed. So this is now, guys, the last point of support for this ticker, for the meme coin Trump. Yeah, Dollar Trump is the meme coin. You will find that here when you typed it in TradingView, for example. We have here just two price levels. We have one squeeze trigger price level, which is, in my opinion, $50.80. So if Trump can gain some momentum here, you can see how we find support here still at $25. This is, in my opinion, the last point of support. So below that, I would work with a stop loss here. You can see after the pump and dump which we had here in the beginning of this coin, we have here a lot of red candles, almost no buying volume. But as I said, this level here is key. We have almost no information, of course, in the chart, since it's just started to trade here, around 2 weeks ago. But you can see with the information we have, this is the support. $50 would be the next price target here to the upside, or let's call it a squeeze trigger price level. And if Trump can break this price level here with volume, then $121 would be the next price target, which I call here a short squeeze price target. That would bring us here again in total of 95%, or in a squeeze 259%. Of course, it can squeeze much higher. These price levels here are based on the information which we have in the chart right now. So guys, that was a small bonus for you here for your loyal support. I have so many followers and members here, guys. I thank you so much for your loyal support. So I give you also something for free, and I hope that is helpful. So now for DJT, guys, what's the matter? What we have here in the chart. So if you didn't see my previous videos, we have here a chart constellation where DJT is trading in a wedge pattern. It looks like that the wedge pattern is still the support, so we're still holding this pattern here. If we switch for a second here to the 4 hours chart, then you can see that the touch points here are already above the actual price. We had here one retest in the chart. Here you can see that, guys. I zoom in for you. This white line here is key, guys. This is the algo support which we have for DJT. We had here very nice volume. Yesterday we tried to break again above that level, and you can see we got rejected. The purpose of that was first to close this gap. So we gapped down here overnight. You can see here was one open gap in the chart. This gap has been filled, and now we have to make a decision here if DJT can continue to squeeze or not. So what we want to see here to confirm a continuation of the uptrend, which will or can lead into a squeeze, is here around $34, $35, guys, depending on the date. This is the price level which we want to see. We're trading now here at $32, so very close to that. When I switch one more time here to the daily chart, then you can see in the daily chart we're still trading above that trend channel here, but I draw it in the 4 hours chart. That's why the touch points are here not 100% correct. The problem is that we yesterday gapped up here. We closed with 6% plus, and we left an open gap at $30.54, guys. So that gap has to be filled sooner or later. Maybe we fill that today. That means DJT comes down here one more time. Based on the daily chart, the support is waiting here. However, in my opinion, if we don't hold here a price level above the trend line in the $34, $35 range, guys, then latest here $23 should be the pit stop. If we see a sell-off here above the below the line, guys, then $23.84 is the pit stop, in my opinion. If this level breaks, guys, I will not hold this position. I always make here swing trades. I always work with a stop loss. If this level breaks, guys, and we see a shakeout like that, then I will buy in here in the lower price ranges here for DJT. The upside potential is also there because we gapped down here 2 times. The first gap here has been closed already with the yesterday's candle here, but we still have an open gap at $39.57, guys. And that means that sooner or later DJT, if they don't dilute the hell here out of the stock, what I don't believe, they have here a market capital of $6.9 billion, so no reason for delusion. That means sooner or later, no matter how deep this stock here may fall, yeah, $39.57 is the price goal here to close the open gap for DJT. Of course, we have here much higher price goals. I will zoom out in a second, guys, but keep in mind, if we break that level here, that could mean that we drop lower. The market is quite calm here in January. We have a lot of sideways trading action, nothing special, guys. Yes, we have squeeze in the market, but a lot of stocks, or also crypto, is just going sideways, holding their price levels, guys. I found one new stock here with a very high squeeze potential, 125 to 320%. This ticker here is out right now on Patreon. Usually I present here my short squeeze stocks. I call them the hot stocks, guys. I present them on Sunday, but I want to give also here one more ticker with squeeze potential here during the week, since this ticker could squeeze here very, very soon. If you also want to see here my member content, guys, I have a lot of things here on Patreon, member videos, hot stock videos, yeah, trading alerts, yeah, direct message and so on. If you also want to join in here our Patreon, guys, we're growing every day. The full package membership is the way to go. This is where most of the members joining in, and when you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link, guys. So yo, guys, I also want to show you something here in the chart. We switch off for a second here the drawings and just focus on the technicals, because we have now here since September, guys, September 2024 was the last time that we had an oversold RSI for DJT. You can see that was here. That was the oversold RSI here, and since then we had here this massive squeeze, which I, by the way, predicted. I released a video and said that we will see here a squeeze for DJT. That means, guys, the market makers, yeah, since September could not bring the price significantly down. Also, when we see here the black EMA line in the chart, which is a very important line, can act as a support or resistance. You can see that we still traded above this price level. We had one shakeout here in the last 2 trading days, came back yesterday strong with a gap up, but this is also the problem, guys. The open gap at $30.54 is waiting below this black line here, which is the 200-day moving average. When we can find support here, then of course here a squeeze to the upside is possible. $39 is just a Mickey Mouse price level here for swing traders, of course, very okay. Yeah, around 20-25%, this is good. But for everybody who want to see here a bigger squeeze, guys, yeah, that is now a chance, since we had here an oversold RSI, and that can act as a squeeze trigger, especially because we came down here to $11, and you can see the lowest price which the market makers could do since September was here $26. So that looks still strong, but I want to see here a higher high. So we creating here higher lows, and we don't want to see lower lows. We want also to see higher highs. So we have to break here $54.63 for DJT to confirm here that this squeeze is still active, and we can see, of course, here then much higher price levels to the upside. This is what we have right now. You can see this kind of pattern here. It's getting weaker and weaker and weaker. Then we had this recover process here. Now we want to see that this ticker here starts to rip. So, and what are the price goals? Yeah, nothing changed here. Last point before Moon Party, guys. Yeah, Moon Party, $92.50. This is, in my opinion, here not easy to reach. Yeah, we could see a squeeze here, in my opinion, easy back to $60. I think that would be no problem for DJT, between $60 and $70 here. This range is, in my opinion, no problem. So a 100% squeeze around 100% can be easy possible. This is just an algo squeeze. If we want to see a short squeeze, guys, here you can see that main resistance zone is until $76. If we want to see a short squeeze, we have to break $76, or in best case $92. Then we can see something like this happen here, a straight line to the upside, of course, here in the $100 range and higher. This is still possible technical, but as I said, we need volume, and we need to gain momentum. We have to break this wedge pattern here, guys, which is compressing the price here for DJT. When we zoom out and I would extend that line here, you can see that this is here in alignment with the top, which we also had here back in 2022. So my friends, that was the update on DJT. I zoom out for you here, and you can copy, of course, the price levels here from my chart if you want. Everything what you see here is based on TradingView. Please keep in mind that we have this open gap here at $30 and an open gap to the upside at $39.50, guys. So if you want to copy the price goals here, this is TradingView, and I can highly recommend that program since I use that for all my videos and all my trades, guys. And if you want to learn trading, then this is the right way to start to invest in yourself and invest in a good chart program. I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click also the info icon here in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. So my friends, that was the update on DJT and Dollar Trump. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.